Unlike what I love to share on this channel, a detailed step-by-step recipes. Now, this video will be nowhere close to that. This is just an idea on how to infuse flavor in your tomato sauce. At the end of this video, you will learn one or two tricks that will help you to make a simple and a very delicious tomato sauce. I will be making use of my already prepped tomato and protein. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Anniekrieger. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. To my returning subscribers, you guys are the best. If you are craving a simple and flavorful tomato stew, then you want to start by infusing aroma or infusing flavor in your oil first. What I did is heat up some amount of oil, go in with thyme, curry, and bay leaf without taking a step. You want to stand behind and stir again and again. On no condition should your curry get burnt. Then bring in some amount of sliced onion and saute. If you feel the aroma or the flavor all over the house already, then you know you've gotten there. Introduce your pepper mixture or your tomato, your parboiled tomato. Stir everything together, cover it up and let it cook for a while. Remember, we already parboiled our tomato before bringing it here, so that is going to shorten the cooking process because with the water, it's already out. The liquid, we already let the liquid out through the parboil. So you can see from the screen, it is turning out into a delicious stew. I also did not add tomato paste to this stew. I was craving for something unique, something very special, and that was what I got on this day. From the screen, you can tell how it's turning out. Even if you can perceive this, guys, if you are a foodie like me, you can tell what the stew is going to look like or what the taste is going to look like. I went ahead, cover again, and let out all the liquid. Now it is time to bring in your protein. Now for stews like this, I love to go for assorted meat. So I went for deboned cow leg. I went for some gizzard, cooked one, okay? So bring all that in and stir generously. On a good day, I will not add any broth because I want to keep the consistency just the way it is. But this day, I went in with just small amount of broth, depending on how you love to have your stew. Now, after adding your broth, it is time to adjust to your taste. Go in with any seasoning of your choice. We all have our favorite flavor, whatever we want. You can go in with basil. This stew works perfectly like basil. I more like forgot hadn't basil because this is the basil stew for all I care. But don't worry about that. The infused of the curry will also do the job. So I season with some amount of bouillon powder, vegetable powder. This is my favorite one. I went in with just some pinch of salt and small amount of thyme. Okay, then stir everything together. Like I said, season to your preference. You can choose to add in more pepper. You can choose to add in any flavor of your choice. Now, this is what we have at this point, guys. Can you tell me what you feel at this point? Like this stew was given like 10 over 10 for all I care. If it's not 10 over 10, I'll still say it. But guys, it is given 10 over 10. If you've not tried any stew without tomato paste, infusing flavor, bay leaf in your stew, then you need to give it a try because mm, you can pair with white rice, you can pair with boiled yam, you can even pair with bread. Mhm. Any side dish of your choice, and I bet you will love it. Guys, that's me just doing what I love to do, testing it again and again with my hands. There was no need of testing it because it was just given. So thank you so much, guys, for watching till this time. If you haven't hit the like button, please go ahead and do so for me. Just hit the like button for me. Leave your opinion in the comment section. What would you pair the stew with? We're still going to bring in some fried goat's meat, okay? You can as well choose to go in with the fried chicken or fried turkey, any one of your choice. Now you want to go ahead, stir everything together, and it is time to bring in my fried goat meat. Now, sometimes we crave for something new. As a mother or as a foodie, sometimes you just don't know what next to make. You just stuck somewhere. I bet you need to try something new. If you are craving or planning to make some tomato stew, then it is time for you to make one without tomato paste, and just go ahead and try some spices, because we have some spices that we smell and we love it, but we just don't know how to incorporate it into our meals or into some certain meals. It is time for you to try out something. Just try something you feel like, I like it. Let me, if it works out for you, then it's fine. If not, you skip it next time. And guys, this one turned out really good for me, and I enjoyed every bit of this stew. Thank you so much, guys, for watching till this time. One thing again, please do not forget to take off your bay leaf after you are done cooking. Okay, very important. Yeah, it was time for me to plate at that time. This is voiceover, and I'm craving for this stew, watching it already. Okay, thank you so much. What would you pair this meal with? Leave your opinion in the comment section. Bye for now.